$1,200, 11 pair of shoes, 10 fingernails, 9 pack of weave, 8 nail strippers, 7 bus passes, 6 diamond ring, 5 months free ring.
Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Yeah, I got the Vlogmas Day right today because yesterday I had it wrong. I said it was 6 when it was 7, and today is Vlogmas Day 8, so I got it right. I'm back on track now. Anyway, so I am at the Target by my job because this Target actually sells grocery in here, and I need some stockings. I want to find the stockings that actually have the kids' initials on it, and I haven't had any luck so far. But, well, let me rephrase that. I saw some stockings that had the kids' initials on it, but it didn't match my decor. And I'm like, I'm not about to just throw up anything. So I wanted to match my whole aesthetics in my den. So I'm going to go in Target and see what they got. And another thing I love about Target, I know y'all, I say this all the time, but Target is so much nicer. Their buggies don't make noise. Their buggies are cleaner. It's cleaner in here and everything. But anyways, so yeah, let me go find the Christmas area and see if I can find some matching stockings so I can put it up on my mantle. So, alright guys, of course they didn't have what I wanted. They have the same exact stuff, the same exact stockings at my, thank you. They had the same exact stockings at the Target close by my house, and that's not exactly what I wanted. But I might have to settle for that. But I'm gonna get my babies their stockings up because I want to put some stuff in their stocking, and I might just have to settle for something a little off, but whatever. Am I going down the right aisle? I don't feel like pulling my keys out. For the toot-toot, you know, the toot-toot to make your car make noise. I don't think I want to do that. Oh, I found it. Okay. But anyway, so I just sent the giveaway winner a message on Instagram, which is Miss Kendra, Miss MZ. I think her channel name is Miss MZK Baby. That's her YouTube name, so you guys go and check her out. She actually won the giveaway for this week. And congratulations to her. And by the time you guys see this video, you'll see the video that I posted last night of me cash apping her coins. So congratulations. And I'm going to Home Goods next and the Ross in this area to see whatever I can find, to see if I can find my baby some stockings. Okay, so I'll see y'all in a jiff. Hey guys, so I made it back home. So y'all, I could not, when I say I could not find any decent looking stockings for my babies. So what I'm gonna do, so what I did is I said, forget getting stockings. We ain't doing stockings this year. Y'all know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do sacks. We're doing sacks this year. And the reason why we're gonna do sacks this year is simply because my kids are like, have kind of outgrown the whole stocking type thing. So I got sacks, and I'm gonna just put, you know, like their gifts in sacks and put it under, not under the Christmas tree, but in front of the fireplace. And I bought them their own sack. And of course it matches. Come on, dang, so I can pull it out. And this is what the sack look like. This is the big old sack right here. So I'm gonna fill their sack up with stuff that I know that they would like and enjoy. You heard me, babe? You heard what I said? So do you like that idea? Instead of trying to find, because I couldn't find those stockings that the sacks. This is what the sack look like right here. Ain't that a good
You
idea?
got the film on there?
But think about it. If you look
They're
at the
nice now. Don't get me wrong.
look, that's the sack, y'all. But if you think about it, they 14 and 12. What can we put in a little stocking that they would like enjoy other than candy?
Yeah.
And I mean, they too big for like little crayons and like little trinkets and stuff you would put in a regular stocking. You know what I'm saying? So I just get the sack, put the sack with their stuff in it, like some of their stuff. I mean, of course I'm gonna still wrap their gifts that I'm gonna give them, their money and stuff. But as far as like their little stuff, like, I mean, I can't say everything they want on their Christmas. Well, I can't say I know they're on their Christmas list. They say they want the controller, like wait, what game that is? They say they want Fortnite, but they want it for the PS4. No, they got Fortnite for the Xbox, but I'm saying they want Fortnite for the PS4.
They want another game for GTA.
So like I can put like their games and stuff for their like the actual game itself, or I can get like their controllers or their headphones. All that kind of stuff can go in this. Because I mean, by the time, if you think about it, if we was to get a regular stocking, by the time you put like something like that they would really enjoy, it's gonna fill up the whole stocking anyway. So we doing the sacks this year. So me and Mr. B Smooth about to get in here and do a look. We were talking about somebody else.
You said with the step, man.
So my daddy.
Hello? Hey. Huh?
Hey guys, so I know this is like a change of scenery, like real quick, fast in a hurry, but I was in the process of doing Christmas stuff at home, and then I got the call and I had to come to South Carolina like right quick, fast in a hurry, because my mom was being unresponsive, and I had to come home to check on my mom. But anyway, she's doing okay. She had to get some more tests done and things like that. So I'm home right now, and they're back to bring her back home. So I'm here with her right now, y'all. So y'all just keep us in your prayers, honey. Keep my mom in your prayers. Give me a kiss. I love you.
Love you too.
Y'all take her my bye.
Oh, that's all. Bye-bye. Love you.
All right, Ma, I love you. All right, so we about to get back on the road, guys. I hate leaving my mama. Even though we're only like an hour and a half, 2 hours away, I still don't like leaving her. Just in case I need to get to her quick, I can, but I do got help, my aunts and stuff, so.
At 3 Eastern, number 1 of the line, Gonzaga takes on number 7 Tennessee.
You drink your milk already?
It's the Air Force Reserve Jerry Colangelo Classic. Reserve Arena in Phoenix.
All right, Daddy. Well, if you need us, call us now.
Hold her.
Oh wait.
You already put it in the car? Y'all want nothing else up?
Oh, we good.
I was telling Bonnie,
I see you.
y'all may want to get something By the time he come, you know.
What?
You know, stuff your mama got around there. Around there.
Oh.
We over here. A lot of stuff. Y'all have first choice there. I knew you didn't want my hat. What you handing me that for?
Talking about them church hats.
What's your hand out for it?
Oh. You want a straw for that? It's a straw in there.
That's a full one.
Oh.
Shit, pretty good.
She ate like 3 scoops of mashed potatoes and a piece of chicken. She said the chicken was too salty.
You know why it's salty? Because we don't use salt.
Oh.
That's what it is. Because we used to eat a lot of salt. But after we got off it, it is salt. Taste it, yeah. You taste it.
You want to say hey to my vlog, Daddy?
Huh?
You want to say hey to my vlog?
I'll do that.
You just say hey.
Hey.
Any words of encouragement? Any words from the retired preacher to tell to the people?
Keep your eyes on the prize. And the prize is Jesus.
Amen. All right. Well, call us if you need us.
No idea.
Make sure you let the nurse know what time she gonna be in the morning.
I see. When I looked up, saw her working, I told you come back.
Make sure.
Sydney said y'all was already here. Y'all at our party. I told her she was telling y'all what? Yeah, she said, I didn't know what my daddy talking about. I said, Sydney, where? I saw, no, Mr. Roy said y'all coming to the party or at the party. I said, Sydney, what are you talking about? Mr. Roy told me. Alright, y'all do good at school now. This is the name of 17 days.
Christmas is 16 days?
That's something like that. 2 days. Yeah. Before you sneeze, you didn't do that.
Alright, well, let's get on this road before this snow hit.
Everything, man. Y'all don't know.
Hey guys, so made it back home. I'm super tired. Tired. Babe in the kitchen. Mr. Beast Move in the kitchen cooking some steaks with onions and mushrooms. Got it smelling up in here. Okay. Huh? Yeah, he got in here smelling it up. Mom is doing okay. We got her back home, squared away. Had like a little scare, but she's okay. And yeah, guys, so I was like, you know what? Let me get on here real quick. I'm going to end the vlog here, and we'll start back up for Vlogmas Day 10 or 9. I don't know. Might get 2 vlogs in one day. You might get 8 and 9 on today, and then you might get 10 on today. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, so I don't remember where I left off at. Did I show y'all the sacks? Yeah, I showed y'all the sacks that I was looking for. So I got the sacks. I gotta start putting some of their stuff in the sacks, and I'm gonna put it over there by the fireplace. I found 2 older stockings that I had last year, but they do not match the aesthetic, so I'm going to take them down. I got them up there just to see if I like them up there, but I don't actually like them. This is how they look. I don't like the way that look up there. So I'm going to take those down and just use the sacks that I got over that I showed y'all earlier in the clips. And yeah, guys, this was another probably interesting vlog, but it's gonna be days like that. But you guys stay tuned for some more, because I've got some great content coming for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. There go the oldest one. The kids were upstairs playing Fortnite, of course. Say what's up. It seems like every time y'all go away from me and come back, y'all voice get deeper and deeper, don't it? Who? Yeah. But anyway, y'all remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.